sleeping, I think, when we did this.
Yeah. I was sleeping. Sleepy. Yeah. I just wait.
What are you doing?
There's no black bears on this
Putting
one.
out a Japanese beetle trap.
I bet there'll be over here though. I never seen them.
Can you go somewhere?
Oh,
Struggle's real. Where's your pocket knife?
it's dirty because my wife used it for butchering chickens. Oh,
I thought it was because you didn't have a belt loop.
oh.
That's
Don't
poison.
smell
Ooh.
that. It's supposed to smell like ripening fruit, I would guess. But it's
Yeah,
poison.
that's
I don't want to smell it.
You don't want to smell it?
You poisoned. You get down.
I'm just gonna guess. Is this how you do it?
I don't know. You stick it on the top, but I don't know what direction it needs to be.
Oh, probably like that.
So I guess
Sure.
you're
Yeah,
allergic
that
to
looks right.
ripening fruit. What?
Zoom in.
Zoom in. Put the string through the
There's a
hole.
twist tie, not a string.
It's hot out here.
Yeah, it
Does it
is.
say
Direct
high?
sunlight. Direct sunlight.
Well, honey, I'm in a tree.
I don't know what you're doing.
There's
I would
something
put it
over
out here on this branch because that'll be.
Oh, it's already been eaten. It's already been pre-attacked.
You're still a foot away. You want me to do it? Oh, you got it.
I don't know why you gotta pick on me just because I'm short and
Here,
tolerated.
how about this one? How about this
You
one
mean
right
your
here? It's
height
short
challenge?
Like you are.
Kylie, don't do that. please.
Okay, how's that look?
Cute.
Direct sunlight.
Why does it need direct?
They're already attracting themselves to you. Look at, there's one up there. Zoom in.
Within minutes.
That wasn't even a minute.
It's like a second.
It's like you open it and they're already funnel in, my friends, funnel in there.